Do you constantly look for ways to make your life all that much easier? Well, sometimes that means setting Kindergartenmouth, and sometimes that means making sure you have a knife set that it's sharp. So when you actually cook dinner, you don't go anything. So that actually is the smaller set of the one that I wanted to show you. Comes with a built-in sharpener in the block. Let me show you. Okay. So sharpener is right here in Gibbs block, which I love that. Don't have to go anywhere. Don't have to have a different one or big built right in. It comes with 6 different ones you can use for any type. The cooking, including for red night, my favorite night. I love the serrated one, and the largest set does have a few more paring and serrated. So you're going to have your thick steak knife down here. Bada bing, bada boom, perfect for your table. Obviously, don't need to sharpen the steak for the butt. And last but not least, my favorite of all time, you can never have too many scissors in your kitchen.